everyone, this is Sneha here. Welcome to my cooking channel Creative Cook House.
This video is about how to make mozzarella cheese at home with two ingredients in very simple way. The texture of the mozzarella cheese is exactly the same what we get in the market. Please watch my video till the end. I am going to share some tips and tricks about the recipes. Here I have taken 1 liter of full fat cow milk and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. First we heat up our milk. No need of boiling the milk, but it should be that hot. If we dip our finger, we should feel it is hot. Stir it in between so that the milk will heat up evenly. Now dip your finger and check, but make sure your fingers are clean. It become warm, but it need to be heat up more. After a while, check once again. Now dip your finger again. Yeah, it is done. Stir it and switch off the flame. Now we'll add lemon juice little at a time. Stir continuously in a slow. Add more and stir it continuously. After a while, you will feel it started curdling. See, it started curdling. But we have to keep on stirring till the all paneer and the water gets separated. It will take time, be patient. Now add more and keep on stirring. See, our paneers are coming together. Here it is done. See, all the paneer is coming together. Now we'll leave this as it is for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we'll strain the water from the paneer into a cheesecloth. Don't drain down the water because we need this water in the further process. Now squeeze the paneer. Squeeze all the water from the paneer as much as possible. Now transfer this into another bowl. Now make a ball out of into the same water what we have drained out from the paneer. We will soak the paneer again and squeeze it. Again we'll soak into the water and squeeze it thoroughly. We'll repeat this process at least 4 to 5 times. Then we'll heat up the water again and again we'll follow the same. Here we have heated up the water. See, it is that much hot, we can dip our hands in it. Now I'll soak the paneer and squeeze it again. This soaking and squeezing process we have to repeat at least 10 times in this water. When we stretch the paneer, we'll see slowly this process will enhance the elasticity into the paneer. So we have to squeeze it thoroughly, and again you have to soak in the water. Don't waste the water. You can use this water for many recipes like pulao, making dough of chapati, or soup, or even I use for dal also. So it is very nutritious water. Now we'll take chilled water. In this water again we'll repeat our process of soaking and squeezing at least 7 to 8 times. Then we'll wrap this mozzarella cheese with clean wrap tightly and keep in the freezer for 2 hours. Here is our mozzarella cheese ready to use. See how soft and spongy. Let me show you the texture. See that texture. We can grate this cheese and use it on any toast or pizza, whatever we want to use. Color and texture are the exactly same what we get in any ready-made mozzarella cheese. See, now I'll show you using on toast or bread pizza. Here our toast is ready. Let me show you the texture of the cheese. See how much elasticity it got, and it look like exactly the same ready-made mozzarella cheese. Let me cut and show you the texture. See how the texture is. Here are some tips and tricks about the recipe. For best result, you should use fresh cow milk, but if it is not available, you can use packed cow milk. Milk should be hot enough to touch, and add lemon juice little at a time and keep stirring slowly and continuously. Keep adding lemon juice till the paneer and water get separated. After getting separated, the water will become transparent or light green in color. Quantity of lemon juice depends on the quality of milk. Vinegar can be used instead of lemon juice. Keep stirring until all the paneer turns lumpy. If your paneer become crumbly and does not form elasticity in it, do repeat the soaking and squeezing process another 4 to 5 times in hot water. If your water turns cold, you can heat it again. After the paneer gains its elasticity, then switch to chilled water for further process. You can use the paneer water to make pulao, soup, curry, dal, or making dough for chapatis. Please don't waste the water because it is very nutritious. Thank you for watching my video. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section below how your cheese come out. And please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.